Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Market Misfits. So y'all aren't gonna believe this. This is crazy. I know it blew my mind when I saw this on Twitter. Had to bring it over to everyone here at Market Misfits Academy Facebook. So Brad just basically just straight up dissed Elon Musk and Dogecoin. Let's take a look at this video real quick, and then we're going to take a look at the charts real fast.
2024, I think we really do as an industry, and as Michael kind of highlighted, that when you go through these what we've called crypto winters, it's an opportunity to build. And I think you're seeing more of that. And there are more leading companies emerging. Ripple's now at a place where we have focused on real utility of solving a cross-border settlement problem. We've invested heavily in the custodial area. Circle, who I know is in the audience, has definitely demonstrated a real-world use case. I think Fluency, we're solving problems that people see with these technologies. But I agree, what has driven the non-crypto, well, some of your crypto winters are a reaction to an overhyped cycle of euphoria enthusiasm, which is just speculation. And I think what we haven't seen yet that I still think we will eventually see is a separation of wheat and chaff of, what are the assets? How are these technologies being used to solve real problems that have real demand versus ones, I'll pick on Dogecoin. I don't get it. Other than Elon Musk as the central actor, I don't see the use case and the purpose. And I'm sure I'll get lots of shit for saying that Dogecoin's, but oh well.
Yeah. I guess just having fun is a use case.
I guess entertainment. That counts.
Yeah.
I would.
All right, you guys. So let us know what you think about this in the comments. I just kind of want to give some insight. I'm just thinking here, random, but this first thing that comes to mind. Elon Musk versus Brad Garlinghouse, Dogecoin's triumph and XRP's challenge. So Dogecoin is in the spotlight right now. And what's happening with XRP? Brad's over here talking shit, but is it out of jealousy? Let's see. I just lost a little respect for Brad and hope for XRP. So this kind of character coming from somebody shows to me either a sense of false pride or jealousy, mainly concerning his attitude towards Dogecoin and Elon Musk. It appears at first glance that maybe this is an attempt to cover up some insecurities by making fun of someone whose project is about to blow his out of the water, and he knows it, and his attitude is false pride. Clearly, Brad is not aware that as people, we are moving more and more into the future where personal brands will be all that exists. And what kind of personal brand value is Brad showing here? What do y'all think? If I don't know about you, I had to come back and retype. That's some typos here. It's too excited. I don't know about you, but it's not looking very good. It's a weakness to talk down on people and ignorant not to know that brands sell everywhere. And so why not the crypto space? Here's the thing though, when Elon sees this, he will most likely pass Doge through to X Twitter and blast XRP's liquidity with Dogecoin utility X Twitter style. So man, that's I haven't seen something as entertaining as that in the crypto space. That there's going to be some beef over that. If they were in the streets, I think Elon would whip Brad's ass. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. But either way it goes, I really do think I lost a little bit of respect for Brad with that character that he's holding right there and that attitude, him hating on Dogecoin because he can see that it's about to be part of the biggest financial institution that what is going to be taking people away from his customers. And so that's going to be his competitor if you think about it. because Elon is against the banks. He doesn't like the Securities and Exchange Commission either. He doesn't like, he's starting his own bank, and so he wants to do it for the people. A lot of people are speculating Dogecoin. All right. It looks like to me Brad is seeing that as a major threat. Let us know what you think in the comments. Get into speculating, guys, but this is what this all is. You heard Brad Garlinghouse. He's no idiot. He went to Harvard. He knows this, but I'm surprised that he doesn't know the value of personal brands. Look at Gucci. Look at all the designer brands. Look everything, but now everything's turning into personal brands. So Elon Musk at that is a personal brand. So anyways, you guys, we broke out bearish from this triangle. That's awesome. I think there's going to be some beef in the crypto streets. And maybe we'll see Brad Garlinghouse and Elon Musk get into the octagon, like Zuckerberg and Elon Musk were going to get into the octagon. I think that Elon will whip Brad's ass. He's a big barrel-chested nerd, but I think that he would handle Brad in a second. Anyways, guys, really just wanted to go over that. We broke out bearish from this, probably because of Bitcoin sentiment, but is what it is. We talked about this earlier. These gaps down here, are we going to come down and clear these out, or more or less, are we going to come down and clear out these lows? Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. I didn't want to take a whole bunch of time. Just wanted to get on and kind of put that out there. It was the first thing that I saw on Twitter, and it was like, wow, thought the day was over. But anyway, so here we are in Bitcoin. We did break out of the triangle. We're coming down here. We're going to be looking for this rejection still. So we're getting our pullback here. Really going to be looking to test or take out this low now. More or less. Masamanos. Bigger picture. Zoom out a little bit. Get rid of this over here so we can see. So we're still we had this rising channel, and we had break, or if you want to look at it as horizontal, then we had a spring up top for Bitcoin, and we could see some continued further downside potential, and that would be a good thing. So, but mainly on Bitcoin, gonna be watching this area around 40,300 area. See if we take out this last spike down, and we finally take out this guy right here. There's liquidity down here, trust me. So let's take a look at XRP. Pretty much same scenario. We did not get the double rejection. So we did not buy actually here, believe it or not. But actually it does look like we got double rejection. We just broke down. We got triple rejection up top. Check this out. So we saw Doge take off, and we're seeing XRP flop. It's looking like we're gonna see possibly Dogecoin in the hands of prominent, the richest man in the world, and his platform and his businesses. Okay, so for Brad to say that what's the use case for what problem is it solving? Let me tell you something. Any cryptocurrency that sends money cheaper and faster than the central bank is an asset, is a valued asset over the systems that we have now. So, with that being said, there's value just about in every cryptocurrency, or at least the potential, the way I'm seeing it. So with this chart, we just took out this low here. So if people were trading and they had their SLs right here, whoever did, sure a lot of people did. We weren't the only ones seeing this. They got wiped out like a champ. So XLM, XRP, XLM's going up. So and here's another thing, as far as XRP being part of X Twitter, You can say that's a big fat, it ain't gonna happen unless they are just completely actors, which is a complete possibility. Anything is possible. And I talk about this all the time. I bring it up on the channel all the time that these people are just actors, you know. And it's funny that Brad Garlinghouse called Elon Musk an actor. I couldn't believe it when he said those words. But anyways, you guys, it's gonna be a really interesting. Just come on over to Market Misfits. This is our public page on Facebook. And then we have our Market Misfits private group, exclusive, free group. So no risk involved. So no risk involved at all. We're growing. We're still building. So, we're letting people in. Come on over. We're putting out news. So things are going to get dropped here and in our Telegram and before you see them on YouTube, because the YouTube thumbnails take forever. And we go ahead and blast this stuff firsthand in these groups because these are the misfits. These are us. This is who we are. So we share not that it does on YouTube, but on YouTube we gotta have the thumbnail. Can't go pasting uh blank slates over there. Just don't work that way. If you want to get your stuff seen, you gotta play the thing. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm a trader, learning YouTube. That's what I know so far. But anyways, you guys, that's gonna do it for now. Y'all have any questions, just reach out and holler. We'll drop a link to come over here so you can get in the Market Misfits, come get some of this training, come get some of these PDFs of these analysis on these cryptos. And also we have literature in here from Mark Douglas, and we're gonna be constantly adding value into this, you guys. It's not about how much we can get out of people, but how much we can give in this group. Okay, so hope to see y'all there. Hope y'all have a great night, and we will see y'all on the next one. See ya.